Hello, today we'll be looking at this question. 4 plus 44 plus 444 plus so on until 104 is the expression given. The highest power of 2 which can divide the given expression is, that is what we have to find out. Okay, there are two methods to do this. I'll first do the hard way and then the easier way. The hard way is by taking 4 common from the given expression. This will be 100 once. Okay, right now what we can do is divide by 9 and multiply by 9 and we will get this expression. This will be 100 nines, right? So this this expression can be written as this will be -1, right? Now 4 by 9 times, all these 10s can be added separately. 10 plus 10 squared plus 10 cubed plus so on until 10 to the power 100 minus, there will also be 100 ones, right? Since 1 0 1 1 0 1 2 zeros the second one, 3 zeros the third one, 100 zeros the 100th one, so they add up to -100, right? Just a minute. Okay, now this is a geometric progression where the sum can be written as a times r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 minus 100, where a is 10 and r is 10 again. N is 100 because 1 2 3 so on until 100. 4 by 9 times 10 times 10 to the power 100 minus 1 divided by r is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 minus 100, right? Now I will be taking 10 common from these two. 4 by 9 times 10 times, sorry, just a minute, 10 times 10 to the power 100 minus 1 by 9 minus 10. Now 9 times 10 is 90, so we can directly take the LCM and add it up here instead of writing this. This can be written as minus 91 divided by 9, right? Now this can be written as times 4 by 81 times 10 times 10 to the power 100 minus 91. Now 40 divided by 81 times 10 to the power 100 minus 91. Now these two are not divisible by 2, right? Since and we know this 81 divides this because this is an integer. All of this is an integer. So this will be an integer if and only if 81 divides this expression, right? So we know for a fact that these do not affect the, they don't have a factor of 2 in them. Even when divided, they don't have a factor of 2. So the only one which affects the power of 2 is 40. Now 40 has a highest power of 3 of 2, sorry, 3 power 2, 2 power 3 times 5. So the highest power of 2 in this equation is 3. Now this is the hard way. The easier way can be done like so, right? Okay, now we can take 4 common as we did before. 100 ones, 100 ones, right? Right. Now let's add up all the units place. Okay, now there will be 100 ones till here, so there are 100 terms in this expression, right? So when we add up the units place, we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on until 1. This will be 100, right? So the units place will contain 0, right? And this 10 will be carried over. Now let's add all the tens place, right? In the same way, the tens place, there will be 99. So there will be 19, I mean, the sum will be 99, to which we add the borrowed, not borrowed, that's carryover, I'm sorry, the carryover, which will give us 109, right? So we're left with 9. 10 is again carried over. Now again, the third, that is 100th place, which when added gives us 98, right? Since 011 001, this cannot be considered because it's 0. If we add them, we will get 1, I mean 0, because it doesn't have any effect. Now we can only add 1 from the 100th place from 111 onwards. That will leave us with 98 in the 100th place, right? Now 98 plus the carryover will be 108, right? Again 10 is carried over, right? These are the last 3 digits of this expression, right? Okay, now if we see carefully, this I mean last 3 digits is divisible by 2. Now to check the divisibility by 2, we have to see only if the last digit is even or not, right? Right, the last digit is 0, which is divisible by 2. So the whole expression, this expression excluding this, is divisible by 2. Now last 2 digits, the last 2 digits are not divisible by 4, right? Since 90 does not equal 4 times x, where x is an integer. So the whole expression, that is 1 plus 1 1 plus 111 plus so on until 100 ones, is not divisible by 4. So the maximum power that can of 2 that can divide this expression, just this expression, not 4, not this 4 include, not this 4, is 2 only, right? Right, 2 into x. X is odd, right? We can write this expression like this. Now, but the total expression is 4 into this expression, right? 4 into 2x, where x is odd. This gives us 8x. Sorry, just a minute, I'll write it over here. This gives us 8x, right? This shows that the highest power is 8. You can use the thing that you're suitable with, but I think this is the easiest that can be done fast, I mean in an objective exam. Thank you.